Gates open, they're up and racing. Manila's Gem, Haywire, by the rail, Ferrari 1, then racing in third is Grand Sensation Sambat. In between runners, Paring Hilton and Dancing Tight is the early trailer heading towards the last 900. Haywire in command by about 2 lengths, followed by Manila's Gem, then by the rail moving up Ferrari 1 Sambat. Pass approaching on the outside by the rail, Dancing Tight, Paring Hilton second last, and Grand Sensation now bringing up the rear as they head towards the last 600 with Haywire still leading the field, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Running now in second is Manila's Gem by the rail, Ferrari 1 Sambat is on the outside, fourth Paring Hilton moving up on the outside, Dancing Tight second last, and Grand Sensation as they turn for home with Haywire still leading the field, moving up on the outside. Sambat, Manila's Gem is in between runners, and by the rail is Ferrari 1, but Haywire still leading the field. Manila's Gem moving up by the rail. Sambat is on the outside. Haywire still refuses to surrender. Sambat is in second and final. Haywire, Sambat, Manila's Gem, Ferrari 1, close between Grand Sensation, Paring Hilton, and Dancing Tight.